So hello guys, my name is Yatharth Singh and in today's video I am going to start off with a brand new series in which we are going to be learning about robotics from the very beginning to the very end. And at the end of this whole series, you will be able to get a good idea of robotics and will be able to build any project or any or fulfill any dream, right, which you want to fulfill, right? So yeah, so you can make anything which you want to make, right? Any automation, anything, right? So the first question which will come to your mind, into some of your minds, right? Some of you might not be knowing like what is robotics. So I'm telling you, right? So what is robotics? It's just a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. And yeah, the second point I think is very similar to this. So ignore this one, okay? Yeah. So what does this mean? This just means that it is kind of a technology that will help you to make robots, right? Now, what are robots? This the might you all are knowing this, right? What are robots, right? They're just machines that are make use that are used or made to help us to fulfill our daily task or do them with great efficiency. I will also talk about this, like why to use robotics, why to learn robotics, right? But yeah, they it is just a branch of technology which will help us in the design, construction, operation, and the everything related to the robots. Every management of the robots is called robotics. The branch which like deals with the management of robots is known as robotics. You can say this, okay? Now this is the simple goal. There is a simple goal of robotics. It is just to design machines that will help us to assist, right? That will assist us, means humans, right? With our daily task, right? Which can be tough for us to do, it can be harmful to us, or it's just too simple of a task but too lengthy of a task, or it can be any task, like if you're out of laziness, if you want to do a simple task, yeah, you can use robots for it, right? So robotics will help you to make simply robots, not only make but to manage them also. So the yeah, so the complete branch of technology which deals with the whole management of robots is known as robotics. This is a shortened full this definition which I have made of robotics. I forgot to write it, but yeah. Now, why should where is it used, right? Where is robotics used, right? And you might not be knowing, but somewhere or the other you are indeed using robotics, right? Let's say there are some machines in some homes, right, which just check like is the tank full, right? If it is, then we want to turn off the motor. If it is not, just keep the motor on, right? And whenever the water starts like going off, right, it's just start leaking, then there is an alarm, right? That water leakage is there, whatever, right? Some alarm is there, right? This is done using robotics, right? Basic things, basic uses of life, right? Let's say you have turn on the gas, right? And you forgot to turn off it, right? You have turned it on, but you forgot to turn it off, right? It will give you alert that the fire is on, right? The gas is on, or if there is a gas leakage. Basic things, basic alerting things, or whatever, right? It can be done using robots, which is waste management is done using robotics, right? Now here what is written on the slide, that robotics is used to automate things and make robots that help humans do things better, and in fact I've written with greater efficiency or greater accuracy also, you can say accuracy, whatever, I just do not right, with greater accuracy. So what does this mean? It can be used to automate things, right, which we don't want to do but we have to do, or which is cumbersome process, right, which is lengthy process, which is just a simple things and we are just lazy, right, to automate things. or to do help us do things with greater accuracy and efficiency, right? And also to do things which were not possible before, right? There, like, you must be hearing some things, right, which was not possible before. Like things are like nanobots, right? You must be knowing they are very smart bot and they help doctors in operation, but it was not possible to do some things for, like, there are many surgeries which are these days done using robotics, right? And without robotics it were not possible before, right? Without robotics, which makes robots, right? Now, robots can also do some things which can be harmful to humans, harmful or hazardous to humans, and therefore it removes the risk to the life of humans, right? What does this mean, right? It is very simple, right? That it just removes the risk to human lives, right? There are some tasks which are very hazardous or very harmful to humans or very risky to humans, right? Human life. So it just the robots can do those things for us, those tasks for us, and the life of humans, the risk is removed from the life of humans. Now, why should you learn robotics? This is the last question, right? Which must be coming into mind, right? I also, this question also came into my mind at very first, right? When I started to learn robotics, when I was introduced to robotics, why should I? And at that point of time, there were only two things which came to my mind. I was already a programmer, okay, but there were some things which I thought, like, how can I bring it to real life, right? Let's say there is an authentication system to home. How can I bring it to real life? Answer was using robotics. So robotics just helps you to bring your ideas to real life, right? Let's say you want to make a gas detect or a temperature, right? Whatever, if the temperature is too low, you need to use blankets. You can make some kind of alarm for that, right? You can make RFID things, right, like that, right? Use the card to authenticate those things. So, robotics will help you to bring your ideas into real life. And also, one benefit which comes along with learning robotics is that it improves your problem solving skills and will make you a creative person in all aspects, right? From every aspect, you will become a creative person, right? These are some perks, which I say, of learning robotics. There are some advantages because, see, problem solving skills, these are the things, if you want to become a programmer or whatever, right? You need problem solving skills, and also in real life, also, right? In maths, and like in most of the life, in all the life, you will require problem solving skills, and robotics will give you that, right? And it will also make you a creative person, as you will be able to innovate things, right? You will be able to make things from your innovation, right? So this is how robotics will help you, where it is used, what is robotics, and why should you learn it. This whole video was just giving you a brief about robotics and what is robotics, just introducing you to robotics, right? I hope you liked this video. If you did, first of all, just save this playlist, right? Because I'm gonna upload many videos to this playlist, and I'm gonna teach you the whole robotics, right? All the concepts of robotics throughout this series, right? And if you like this, just like the video, subscribe, press the bell notification icon, share, and one more thing, share this playlist with your friends because I I know that for every person, robotics is very necessary to learn these days. Like for the upcoming world, I think it is very necessary to learn, and I'm very sure that your friends will also like it because if you like it, share it to them so that they can also learn robotics, right? So thank you for watching this video. Bye, and I will see you in the next video.